Nandito ako ngayon sa Kamba Fall dito sa Canberra. Ito yung Kamba River. Oh, ang ganda oh. Ito yung ilog. Malalim yan. Wala akong ganang maligo gawa ng ano. Kanina kasi umulan kaya medyo malamig. Kaya ang trip namin tong kasama ko. Ayan si Lucky. Lalakad-lakad lang kami doon sa ano gilid pamunta doon. Here, Lucky. There. There.
Okay.
Yeah.
Does it lead anywhere?
Huh?
Does it lead anywhere?
Yeah, it's not there. Here,
Yeah.
and then going there.
Oh, okay.
Hello.
Hi. Hi.
Okay. Oh, see? If you like to going to like a Tarzan, going there. Oh, Lucky. Ayan. Marami palang mga nagiinuman ng mga chikas dito sa Tago-Tago. What's this?
It's a wombat hole, I think.
Oh my God. Nakakita kami ng hukay. Parang hukay ng ano yun ah. Hinukay ng mga rabbit. I think the holsing of the rabbit or snake.
Wombat.
Oh?
Wombat.
What's this?
It's sort of like round creature with fur, and it's like this big,
Oh, really? Ah.
and it's like really thick.
First time to hear the name of this animal.
Yeah, if you go into its hole, it would crush you.
Shit. It's very dangerous going there.
Yeah.
Oo. Mukhang mga Pilipino yata to, galing sa pamimingwit.
It's
Okay. Pwede palang mamingwit ito. I think a lot of fish there because catching the what do you think? Also this one. Ayan, medyo masukal kunti rito at tiyagaan mo talaga na puntahan to, parang ma-enjoy mo naman yung ano, yung pamamasyal. Ayan, maraming tao pala rito ngayon. Liligahib sila. Yun nga.
When you find out half the deal and